jam.
And it looks like there's a lot of trash back here.
Yeah, even an egg.
I wonder why there's eggs here. But you know what? Those trash cans look pretty weird. I bet you there's some cool stuff in there from the Monster Jam. Maybe we should check them out and see what's in them.
Yeah, but look! But whichever in them has to go up this giant ramp and see if it crashes or not.
Oh, so you're giving away our secret. We're going to make whoever comes out of those trash cans jump over the big oil slick.
Yeah, right here.
Oh, don't touch it. Yuck. Okay, ready? Which one you want first?
I'll get this one.
Oh, you went with the egg first?
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead, I'll hold it. You pull it open.
Whoa.
Who's in there?
It has Blaze and Darrington.
All right. Our first monster trucks to go over the big pile of slimy oil.
Whoa!
Darrington! Whoa!
Watch this. Whoa, he touched the slime!
Whoa, he touched the slime!
Let's get this one today, right now.
When do we open it? Let's see. What is that?
It's a Ninja Turtle.
It's a Ninja Turtle, huh? Ooh. Oh, it's a little teeny tiny monster truck. You think he could jump over the slime?
It's a fallback. Whoa.
Oh, you didn't make it very far.
Let's try it one more time. If it doesn't work, we'll try it at the end.
Oh, he popped right over the slime. That was great.
Yeah, he popped right over the slime.
Okay, go
The oil.
go get another one. Orange.
Today we're getting a garbage can. No.
Who is it?
Gravedigger. He can go over. Whoa, he went in.
Oh, he went in the slime.
Now let's try that one more time. Whoa, boing.
I think you could hit it a little harder than that.
Whoa, he touched the slime.
Does he have any on him?
No.
No.
And that's the
That's
big
pretty
barrel.
cool.
And look, the barrels, they spilled.
I see it. Can you get
And
another
look,
one?
and look, there's a slime. I'll get this one. Whoa, let's try
What's that? Reptoid. Look at
Yeah.
those teeth. He's scary.
Let's try. Let's put them right. Use it. Then. Whoa! He touched the slime.
Oh, they're not doing a very good job of jumping. Ooh, I think he has slime on his tire. I think I saw some. Ew. All right, stay over there. Maybe somebody can come and clean you up.
Yep.
All
We're
right.
Gravedigger.
How about to this pink one? Let's see who's in this one.
Whoa! It's Blue Thunder.
Blue Thunder.
Let me have
That's
it.
cool.
Let's see if he can go. He found the slime.
Oh. That was a really, really bad hit.
Yeah.
Peter, I
He
think you
found
could
the
do
slime.
much better than that. And if you're
found
gonna
the slime.
hit,
Whoa!
oh,
It bumped that into the 2 monsters. Let's try and get this one.
can't see it.
Let's turn it. There we go. And look, it has.
Lone Eagle. All right, Lone Eagle. Let's see you go over that slime pit.
Whoa, he touched it. I get that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Something fell.
Uh-oh.
We'll get that one after this one.
Who's that? Who is
It's
that?
Monster Mutt.
Cool.
Yeah.
Looks like a dog.
Let me try it. Go!
Good job, Monster Mutt.
Yeah.
Get another one.
Okay. Right here is. So dope.
Turn it.
I'm trying to. Oh, there we go.
Who's
And
that?
It's.
Bad news travels fast.
Yeah.
Wait, let go, let go. See? That's a picture of a house with a broken window and a little boy trying to get away. Cute. Alright, bad news better travel fast because he needs to get over that slime.
Yeah.
Oh, he did it!
Yeah.
Good job, bad news.
That one's gonna be loose.
I think it was good news for bad news because he got over there pretty quick.
Wait a minute. Let's open it. Whoa! It's a ninja surprise.
It's not a ninja, it's Batman. It's a Batman surprise pack. Okay, we're gonna have to hold on to this. We'll do this in a little while.
After we get to the end.
Wait, hold on. There were two.
Oh.
There's the other one. Okay.
It's another surprise.
So we're gonna keep them right there until we're ready.
Let's get this one. Where?
Oh, those don't like to open.
Whoa, it opened. It's another one.
Another little tiny guy. Oh, he popped off to the side.
Yeah, he popped right over the slime.
That was good.
Yeah, that was a good shot.
I think you should get that trash can over there in the corner. He's hiding behind the garbage truck.
Yeah, he doesn't want to be seen.
Come on, open. What are you doing? Just open it. Crazy.
Oh, it popped right open.
Oh, who's that?
It's Batman.
So see Batman with the bat symbol on the back of the monster truck? That's really cool. Okay, do the Batman. See if your Batman can get over. Batman definitely can get over that.
Yeah, that's because he can fly.
No, I don't know if the Batman will be able to fly, but it's pretty bad. Oh, that was bad.
Let me try that again. One.
That was bad.
Oh, he jumped right over the slime.
That was better. Thank you. Oh yeah. Let's do this one. Ooh, who is that?
It's Max D.
Do you remember what Max D stands for? Maximum Destruction.
Yeah. Let's try Max D. Let's see if he can jump over. Oh, he jumped right over good.
Whoa, he did great. We'll have to watch that one in slow motion.
Yeah.
Oh.
Where did he
Pulled
go?
it right out of my hand. Who's that?
It's Dragon.
Dragon. Look at those things on his head.
Yeah,
The
spikes.
spikes and the scales. He's really cool. Go ahead. Let's see if Dragon can make it over.
Whoa!
Oh, he almost hit it. Because it's starting to get bigger and bigger. Did you notice? It's starting to spread out. That oil slick is getting bigger. And I think that he almost just kind of hit it a little bit.
Yeah, like.
Yeah, didn't touch it. Who's that one?
Whoa.
It's Virginia Giant.
Yeah, let's see if he can go.
Let's
Let's
see.
see if he can go oomful. He touched it.
He touched it. We're going to have to watch that again.
Yeah, in slow motion.
He touched it.
Who is that one? He's got mud all over his tires. I don't think he'd mind going in the oil because he's already dirty.
Yeah.
What's his name?
I don't know.
You don't know his name? It's Full Bore.
Yeah, full bore.
Full Bore the monster truck.
He didn't get dirty at all.
Well, he's already dirty, so it doesn't really matter. All right, last trash can.
Yeah, and then we can open up that egg.
Yeah. And those mystery packages.
Whoa.
Who's that?
Yes.
Oh, Gravedigger the Legend. Ooh. He better make it over. I'd be very disappointed. Did he hit it? Did he hit it?
No.
No, you sure? Try again. I think he almost hit it. Oh, that was a good jump.
That was a good jump.
We gathered up all our monster trucks that went across the slime pit, and they're all hanging out waiting because they really want to see what's in these mystery packages, right?
And the egg.
Well, yeah, and the egg. But here we go. We're going to open up this Batman Unlimited Mighty Minis figure.
Yeah, and it's called.
Oh, it opened up. Ah! Oh, no, I think I broke it. Oh, no, maybe I didn't. Maybe you're supposed to put it together. Oh, and who did we get?
And look, and this is the Superman.
It's Batman. Superman. I don't see his body, though. Oh, here it is. Okay, ready? Oh, look! It's a little Batman!
Yeah, it is.
Do you think Batman could fly over the slime?
Yeah, let's see.
Good. Uh-oh. Ready? 3!
Oh,
He did fly! I was going to 3, 2, 1. You didn't wait. But that was pretty cool. He flew right off.
I guess that, and he has that little thing right there. Oh, keep me out there.
All right, well, let's do the next one. You ready? Let's see who's in this. How come this one won't open? The other one opened up so easy.
There's a trusty scissors. Yep. The trusty scissors worked.
Who's that? Look at that Batman. Okay, he doesn't have a cape. Should we make him go over the slime anyway?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's ready? Now let me count it down. 3,
3,
2, 1.
He went super fast.
He hit the wall.
And he went super fast.
That was pretty cool.
He went super fast.
All right, are we gonna see who's in that last egg there?
Yeah, and the garbage can.
We did all the garbage cans.
Even that.
There's something in the garbage truck?
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that.
And it's rubber on the.
Who? What is it?
It's rubber on the double.
It's rubble on the double.
Yeah, rubber on the double.
What? Look at that! Did he come to clean the slime?
Yeah.
Bring the truck over here.
Yeah. Let's see what's inside.
Let's see what's in the
It's
truck.
Rocky, and it's.
Who is that?
It's Marshall. He's gonna.
Oh, he's gonna use his
Water
pump
cannon.
pack water cannon to get rid of that slime. And then who's this?
Oh, that's Rocky.
Rocky. He's gonna help too. Okay.
Uh,
All right, guys, get to work because Mommy does not want to be the one to clean this up. All right. What do you want to tell everybody?
like our videos and subscribe. Like our videos and subscribe. Oh, we got slime all over his tire.
Oh, yuck. All right. What was your favorite thing?
Batman.
Batman?
Actually, the slime.
I knew you were going to say the slime. I think my favorite thing was when you shot the little Batman across the room. He hit the wall.
Yeah.
That was pretty funny. All right, everybody. Like our videos and subscribe, and we'll do more crazy fun stuff.
More.
It looks like a boogie. Achoo!
Ew. Achoo!
Oh! Ew!
That's slime.